Yo, just woke up. It is, I think, the 6th of March. And, well, this is my last sleep I'm gonna have in this hotel. Because I'm leaving back to Melbourne this midnight. So today's gonna be kind of tiring. I'm gonna go back to the gardens. Gonna go explore the cloud forest and the flower dome. I didn't do that yesterday. And then I might go to Changi Beach, check that out. Go plane spotting, maybe. But yeah. I mean, right now it is 12:30. I still don't feel like I got enough sleep. I slept at around 2:30 a.m. last night. I was like awake for like I'd say around maybe 20 hours yesterday, because I woke up at like 6 a.m. for the flight from Bangkok. But yeah, I'm just waiting. I pre-ordered breakfast last night. They're gonna come at 1 p.m. to serve me. I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna pack. Then what I'm probably gonna do is leave my luggage. I mean, checkout's at 3. I'm probably gonna leave at 2:30. I'm probably just gonna leave my luggage downstairs. Just take a simple bag with me. Then come back to the hotel around 7. Pick my shit up and maybe take a shower here, and then head to the airport and then explore the airport. So that is the plan. So anyway, I'm just waiting for breakfast right now. Yeah. Check out this view though. This view is insane. I wish my bed was facing that way, so I could get the view of the Marina Bay area, or the Marina Bay Sands and the Gardens by the Bay. But it's whatever. So yesterday at night, it was very it was very beautiful. Unfortunately, they canceled the light show during due to the coronavirus. Unfortunately, I was very looking forward to watching that, but the night, like I was taking a bath, it looked very nice. But and today, this morning, there was like music playing outside, like really loudly. I don't know where, probably near the float area by the Marina Bay, but there was just music playing really loudly. Kind of woke me up, but I still feel a bit tired. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi.
Mr. Julian,
Yes.
may I come in?
Hi. Yes,
Good
please.
afternoon to you. Mr. Julian, you want me to park the trolley
Okay.
over here or do your
Over here is fine. Yep. Thank you.
allow me to see? Do you see there?
Yes. Good. Thanks. Alright, sir. Got my breakfast. Lady was really nice, but it's fucking expensive as fuck, okay? But you can't expect that from a 5-star hotel, okay? I mean, look at this view. I mean, you get what you pay for, but the hotel upgraded me, okay? So I was gonna get the deluxe suite, but I ended up getting the Millennia suite. Well, I mean, not the deluxe suite. I was meant to get the deluxe room, like the one that costs the least, the one that costs the least out of all the rooms. But instead, I got the Millennia suite, which is one of the best suites. I guess because of the mist of the coronavirus, there's not a lot of people at this hotel, so they can just upgrade you. I don't know. Or maybe because it's just because I'm staying one night and they can afford to do that with me. Okay, so I basically ordered the American breakfast. There are 2 eggs, like sunny side up, some bacon, some sausages, tomato, hash brown. There's some apple juice right there, some hot chocolate, and some croissants. and some just mini accessories. Get some soup, some jam and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna eat, then I'm gonna pack, then I'm going to leave this hotel. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, just finished breakfast. Whew, that was really good, but I was having a look here at like the room setup or the level setup, and I found this quite interesting. So basically, this hotel is like, it's like in a kind of really long rectangular shape, and on this level, the 25th level, there's, you can see, right, the ones on the bottom are the ones facing the Marina Bay sands, and the ones on the top are facing the Kajang River, you know. And depending on what you book, like you can select what room you want, what view you want. The Marina Bay sands obviously costs more, but maybe like $50 to $100 more. But it's interesting looking at this, because on this level, this is pretty high up, right? The Kajang, all of this, you can see it's just rooms, you know, they're just rooms. There's rooms with simple bedroom, a bathroom, and a walk-in closet. But if you see the rooms facing the Marina Bay, you can see that there's only 2 rooms, or like 3 or whatever, but there's 2 suites. Okay, so I'm occupying one of the suites, and you can tell because you can see the kind of a door icon, and also how there are multiple rooms in that. But yeah, I was just like having a look at that last night, because I was bored and I was exploring the hotel. I mean, you gotta make use of this hotel while you still can, or this room. But yeah, finally done packed. Oh boy, I'm going to seriously miss this room. It's only for one night, but you know, hey, you gotta finish off your 10-week holiday off with a bang. I'm gonna probably head downstairs, get my checkout, get them to hold my luggage for me, and then go out and explore some more before coming back here, getting my luggage, taking a shower, and then head to the airport to end this journey. Gonna miss this room. Right, got my bags. They were able to put away for me. Checkout was really easy. I didn't really have to do much, but they were really nice about it. They were like, oh, what time do you want to come back for them? I'm like, a little bit over 7. They're like, okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm just taking the same route as I did yesterday. If you haven't seen my vlog from yesterday, please go check it out, because it's really interesting. I was checking out the gardens and the super tree observation deck, but right now I'm taking the same route as I did yesterday, so there's not too much to see. It's going past the Helix Bridge. Okay, so I'm back in this area. Just walking, feel the breeze. There's not that many people right now. There were more people yesterday evening than right now during the day or in the afternoon. As soon as you enter, you feel the breeze. It's like really cold in here and really refreshing. views are insane. It's like the transparent glass and you can see what's outside. 360 views. It's insane. So here's what I recommend. Take the elevator all the way to the very top, the 6th floor, and then make your way gradually all the way down. That way you see everything. Yeah, this is crazy. That's where I came from. One thing this camera sucks at is low light, so sometimes the video might look a little bit dark, but it's whatever. I might need to get a new camera. The lens isn't the best. Hands down, if you're coming to Singapore, this is a must visit. The Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. Both are pretty expensive though. It's like 28 Singaporean dollars. The Super Tree Observatory is cheaper. It's like around 8 for the nightly and 14 for the other hours. That was a very interesting story about climate change. Didn't get to record all of it, but it just showed you a timeline of what would happen in the next decade and what we can do to stop climate change and shit like that. Okay, so I'm in the Flower Dome. Now, first impressions is, it's cool, but it's definitely not as good as the Cloud Forest. Now, I spent around less than an hour in the Cloud Forest. You could honestly spend 2 hours if you wanted to. I was kind of like strict for time, like I didn't want to spend too much, and I felt like I saw everything at my pace, which is pretty fast, but I mean, the people I went in with, like I finished at the same time as them as well, like some old guys, just some a Japanese couple. So yeah, you can finish it in under an hour. Here, you could probably finish it in less than an hour. Now the reason why I say the Cloud Forest is way better is because there is also flowers, but it's much more. There's waterfalls, there's bigger ledges. I mean, it looked like Jurassic World in a way. And I think that observation area is big as well in terms of the overall size. I think it's tall as well. Okay, it is very cold in here, so just be wary of that. If you're sweating and you come in here, you might get the cold sweats, or just bring a jumper. But yeah, I don't know if you saw yesterday's vlog. Please check it out if you haven't. But I sprained my ankle 2 days ago. It shouldn't have healed already, but I took some Panadol and it already feels really good. It's still obviously sprained and it's bad to do any sort of exercise on it, but it feels 100% better. Okay, so the camera's a little foggy, as normal, coming out from a place, but that flower dome only took me 15 minutes. Together, they took me around an hour. Okay, hopefully now it's better, but yeah, together they only took me an hour. They say the recommended time to visit the two is between 1 and 2 hours. 2 if you're slow, you can easily take 2. Most of your time will be spent in the cloud forest though. The flower dome doesn't really have too much. So, but it's still cool. It's more Japanese inspired. Okay, well, I'm running out of battery on my big camera. I left my other spare battery with my luggage back at the hotel. And I don't think I'm going back there until night. So if I run out of battery, I'm just gonna have to resort to use my phone, which is less quality, but whatever. Okay, so what I'm basically gonna do now is take another loop around the Marina Bay sands just because I still have time. It's only 4. So I won't take too much footage because I already did it when I first came to Singapore, just to save on camera battery. I think that guy's fishing over there. I missed that hotel already. Oh, that is real nice. I'm gonna miss you, Singapore, when I leave. I'm gonna miss you. Probably won't be back in another year or 2. That is one of Gordon Ramsay's restaurants, one that I wanted to go to, and I could still go right now, but it is damn expensive. So I already spent a lot of money on that 5-star hotel and the breakfast there, so unfortunately unable to go. Part of me would do that, but it's hot as fuck right now. It's so humid. This is a view that I will always love. The Bay Area. I know there's more to Singapore than just this area, but hey, I mean, this is one of the places that they are best known for. If at the time, I would have explored other areas of Singapore. Last time we went to the center, where the McRitchie hike was, to the north a bit, but we're yet to go to the west and the east. Well, this is kind of the east, the south. We did go to the west, kind of. Sentosa, does that count? And that was the Fullerton, another 5-star hotel, but I still feel like the Ritz would have the better views. But yeah, I'm back here, back to where we experienced New Year's. If you remember that night, same location. Okay, so I arrived at the park. It's kind of like a beach and also a park. It takes a while to get here. It took like 30 minutes to get here from the main area, maybe a bit under. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna chill around here, look at the beach. I haven't gone to any beaches during these last 10 weeks. And just relax and maybe see the sunset. Okay, so Changi Beach Park is like at the very east of the island of Singapore, and as you see over there, there's like it's like a ferry, and it's a pretty relaxing place. Just gonna chill here. Apparently, you can see planes flying by as well. Okay, if you want to go plane spotting or have a nice relaxing walk by the beach, the ocean side with the cold breeze, then this is it. But keep in mind, this is very far away from the main city. Not really far away, but the grab ride's gonna cost a lot. So, I mean, the best bet for you, if you want to visit is, I mean, if you have a layover in Singapore, because this is quite close to the airport, which is why we see all these planes flying by. Okay, I'm walking back now. It's weird as the planes aren't too close. You can still see them on camera. They look pretty far, but when you're looking with the eyes, they're pretty close. But they're near the ferry area, not really the beach area. Right now, I'm walking back to the beach area. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Camera battery is running quite low. I'm probably gonna head back to the hotel anyway. I'm not gonna see the sunset. I'm so tired. This will be the second last vlog that I film here in Southeast Asia. The last one will be coming up. That's me exploring Changi Airport and being back home. So yeah, until next time. I'm basically right now just gonna head back to the hotel, the Ritz-Carlton, take a shower, go to the toilet, do what I need, collect my baggage, and then be on my way to the airport. Okay. Yeah, thanks. It's pretty nice. They actually allowed me to take a shower first. This airport looks super clean. I love it. Alright, so just getting something to eat. Okay, so our gate actually changed at the last minute.